this first chance in the circle. Off the foot. It's a goal.
Goal.
Railway take the lead. Rob Abbott. It was going to be a short corner, and they pulled a nice ball back in the 90. Ball rebounded back to him, went across, and Rob Abbott duly put it in. 1-0 to Railway. 27 minutes to go.
Rob Abbott has scored a lot of goals this year, and a lot of them have been from 3-4 yards.
Jeremy Duncan gets robbed by Paul Lombard.
Oh, you gotta pass
that. David Egner. 1-0 here with 20 minutes to go.
Quick turnover.
Yeah. Here's Carl Chappell ahead of the ball. He cuts inside nicely. Takes Duxie as well. Goes direct. Carl Chappell's there. And he scores. And nice reactions from Carl Chappell. Chris Downs will be disappointed with that. I think the ball just got caught in his pads.
And I missed the entire thing because I was reading a tweet about Joey Barton getting a red card for QPR. I'm a muppet.
Crash ball in.
Moment here for Quins.
Yeah.
Their corners were
Dan
very
Hobbs.
impressive yesterday.
Dan Hobbs and John Hobbs on the switch. They might switch this one. No, go direct and score through the legs. Stephen O'Keefe.
Stephen O'Keefe's been nutmegged on that one. He'll be disappointed.
He'll be very disappointed with that. And again, Railway are dominating here, but they're not taking their chances. And Quins have only had.
Who scored?
Mackie. So here we go. Dan Hobbs, John Hobbs on the slip again. Dan Hobbs again goes direct. Oh, it's another goal, and O'Keefe will be very disappointed with that.
In the middle again. I think O'Keefe guessed, thought it was going to the right side, went down.
Could probably eat the goalkeeper if he wanted in 2 bites. I think we all know it's going high. Here we go.
Great stroke.
Great stroke, went low.
Went low.
Me wrong.
Good call, Joe.
3 minutes to go. This is what we all came down for, Gar.
And if still a big chance, still 9 minutes.
Yes! Yes! No. We'll be in a bit of trouble here. A super goal from Harlequins. They hit the crossbar, and then we're first to react. And a super goal. I'm not quite sure who got the goal, but I can't see Railway breaking them down from 2-4 to up, and Phil Oakley be over the moon.
Big job here for Railway. Big job. Still a big chance. Still 9 minutes.
No. We'll be in a bit of trouble here. A super goal from Harlequins. They hit the crossbar, and then we're first to react. And a super goal. I'm not quite sure who got the goal, but